one pizza too many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many. Now I know everyone's excited, it's Black Friday weekend, and so I thought let's do a giveaway competition on the channel. So I thought, hey, Black Friday, I'm going to do a giveaway, and you'll notice I always have loads of different pizza peels, and there's one that I never use, and it is this 1.5 meter GI metal pizza peel. Still got the sticker on the back. It's never been used for a pizza, it's always just been used as a prop, so I thought, hey, why not give it away? So in order to be in with a chance of winning this fantastic pizza peel, there's a few things I'd like to do. I want you to help me get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. I'm currently sitting, as it stands with this video, just under the 400 mark, so 600 subscribers, quite a lot. However, I'm thinking this would be a cracking Christmas present for someone that you know, and you can help me. So what do you need to do? First things first, you need to watch this video. Easy. Second thing you need to do is like this video. The third thing you need to do is I want you to put a comment below with your name and your favourite pizza. What's your favourite pizza? Mine, ham and pineapple. It's got to be. Then obviously I would like you to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell to get the notifications of when I release a new video. So how do you subscribe to the channel? It's dead easy. Watch this. Grab your phone, head over to YouTube and search One Pizza Too Many, hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell. Hit all, and you then subscribe to the channel. Head over to Instagram and follow us on Facebook. Right, now you're subscribed, make sure you leave me a comment. All the terms and conditions for this competition will be in the description just below. I won't be drawing the winner until I'm at 1,000 subscribers, so that is up to you guys how quick that happens. Okay, so make sure you're sharing it with your friends and family. The more entries you've got as a family for different people, obviously the more likely you are to win, and obviously it's only one entry per person or per account, so if you've got multiple accounts then obviously you can enter different accounts, that's fine, and it is freezing out here. So just make sure you head back to the channel because I'll be announcing the winner on a video, okay, and that you do see all the terms and conditions in the description below for this competition, for this metal GI metal peel. Okay, it is only open to UK residents for free postage and packaging. I will pay personally to send this out to you. Okay, if you live abroad, still leave me a comment with your pizza, and you know, unfortunately this competition isn't open to people living outside the UK. It is only people in the UK. So that's it everyone, I hope you're having a great Black Friday weekend, and I hope to see you soon. I'm looking forward to reading your comments with some of your pizza toppings, and I look forward to, you know, interacting with you in the future. And also make sure you head over to our Instagram and Facebook page for all the in-between action and gossip as well. Okay, until our next pizza cooking session, thanks for watching and good luck with the competition.
One pizza too many.